mahilig ako. Alam ng taong bayan yan, mahilig ako. Yung nakaw sa pera niya. Marunong ako gumastos ng pera ng gobyerno. Pero hindi ako mahilig yung magkuha tapos ilagay ko sa bulsa. Marami akong allowances because as I said, when you are an ally of the president, you are the ARPOC, you are the senator, marami ka, you get honorarium, stipends, and all of these things, which contribute to, hindi na kailangan. If you say millions, it could amount to that, almost. I know how to spend government money. Yung kine-question intelligence. So when the issue was raised, I declassified. Ayan, sabi ko, ayan. You can go to COA, you can ask any policeman, general for that matter. Today, tonight, kung nagkulang yung kinaltasan ko ng piso, then I said, I'm ready to resign as mayor. Kasi hindi ko talaga type yung ano naman na kilala naman ninyo. You have known me for several years. You know alam mo naman niyo ang taste ko. Wala yan. Even yung cargo. You watch the governors and mayors of Cotabato, Surigao, when they come here, look at their government cars. Yung akin, it's still 1992, yung pagbalik ko. Hanggang pick up lang ako. Hindi ako mahilig ng magandang motor, bata, yung motor naman isabi. Mahilig ako sa maganda, pero hindi yung mga bagay-bagay.